Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize a Garmin Dash Cam with Garmin Drive app, full guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Garmin Drive app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Install the app on your smartphone. Once installed, open the Garmin Drive app. Ensure that your Garmin Dash Cam is powered on. On the app's home screen, tap on the Add a Device option. Select your specific Garmin Dash Cam model from the list of available devices. Follow the on-screen prompts to start the pairing process. When prompted, enable Bluetooth on your smartphone if it isn't already turned on. The app will search for nearby Garmin Dash Cams. Once your Dash Cam appears on the list, tap on it to initiate the connection. You may need to confirm a pairing code displayed on both your smartphone and Dash Cam. Once confirmed, your devices will be paired. You will see a notification indicating that the Dash Cam is now connected to your smartphone. Next, explore the settings in the Garmin Drive app to customize your Dash Cam configuration. You can adjust video quality, event detection settings, and more. To access recorded videos, tap on the View Video option in the app. You can then download or share any clips directly from your smartphone. Congratulations, your Garmin Dash Cam is now fully authorized and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.